back with another layout today, and today I am scrapbooking a photo of my granddaughter, and I'll tell you that story a little bit later. But I'm pulling all the colors from this layout from that heart paper there. That's from Bella Boulevard, the Daily Chevy's Chevy Peep paper, which is an old collection. But I'm glad I finally got to be able to use this. I think that was a paper that I had put in my self-curated Chamel Best of Both Worlds August kit. So I'll look at her kit and then kind of form my own kit from that. And it's nice if I have a piece or two of the paper she's using, although that's not as common anymore because I'm really not buying a ton of regular product for my stash. I did buy some Christmas stuff, but not a lot of other product. So I'm putting that on that blue polka dot paper, which is Amy Tangerine Picnic in the Park, and it's all the colors paper. Probably one of my absolute favorite papers ever. I just love that paper. I'm going to mat the photo on this purple dot paper from Bella Boulevard. It's the Baby Girl Sweet Safari paper, and my granddaughter loves all things sparkly, glittery, girly, pink and purple, and I always think of her when I see purple, like a lavender color. Part of it is that her bedroom is lavender, well, is a pink color with how about this, it's now turned pink. It used to be lavender. Maybe that's what I should have said. That's what I really meant. But anyway, so I always think of her that way. I grabbed that little yellow stripe paper from Amy Tangerine Picnic in the Park. It's the flower field paper, and it was just a scrap. So I grabbed that to add some pop. And then the pink heart paper there that I'm cutting off now is from Bella Boulevard, Bella Besties. It's the Hearts and Ombre and Cotton Candy. So I've got just a nice mix of the pastel-y colors from the hearts in that paper. And again, all these pieces were in my August Best of Both Worlds kits, which let's see, I'm doing this voiceover in mid-October. I still haven't finished that. But that's okay. From time to time, I'll just pull it out, and it's kind of nice because it's all there and ready to go. All right, so I found a couple of things here that I decided I wanted to use. One of them was that little heart guy, or the little chipboard frog there. And he is from Echo Park I Love School, the chipboard phrases. It says leap into learning. That's what his little sign says, whatever that is. That's what his little phrase is. That's the word I wanted. I did choose another chipboard piece there as well, and I can't tell you off the top of my head what that actually says. That card there, that bright green card, is an Amy Tangerine cut apart from a very old collection. I don't even remember which one it was, but it's been sitting in my Amy Tangerine folder of papers, and when I went through some of my Amy Tangerine stuff, I pulled it and popped it in that kit. So I think I've said this recently, that when I think of my granddaughter, I also think of bows, because she has very curly hair, and they're trying to grow it out. So oftentimes her front of her hair is back in bows, because otherwise it's in her face. Like, she's so funny. She's just used to looking at you. It looks like you sometimes. If her bows aren't in, or she's not or her hair's flying out of it, she looks at you through a curtain of her hair, and it's so cute. I can't even stand it. I'll have to get a picture of that sometime. So those bows there were from Bella Boulevard Cute Clips, the baby boy collection, actually, but the colors worked really well. And then I'm adding those pencils in, those puffy pencils from Ellie Studio Sew Off and Puffy Stickers. And this is a layout here about her being ready, get really ready to go to school, that she was so excited to go to school. So she's practicing writing her letters out here. I think she's tracing letters, actually. So she is in a 3K program a couple of days a week, which means preschool. There's kindergarten, and then there's they offer 2 years of preschools in some places, and she was really ready to go to school. She kept talking about she wanted her own friends because her 2 older brothers have friends, and so just a couple days a week she goes, and it's just for the morning, a couple hours in the morning, and she loves it. Loves it. So I was looking at using a puffy sticker there from that same puffy sticker pack that the pencils came from, and it just didn't work. So now I'm playing around where I want those bows to land, and I've decided to move them down to the yellow paper. I just like them a little bit better sitting up there. I thought it was easier to see them because the hearts in the background were kind of taking away some of the attention from the bows. And I really wanted to feature those bows because, again, I said that I really think of her when I see bows. And I can't tell you who or what I'm doing there. I don't remember. So anyway, I'm going through the I Love School sticker sheet here. So it's Echo Park I Love School. It's the Elements sticker sheet. And I found that cute little pencil cup there because she's using markers, but you know, she's kind of getting ready for school. So I thought that was kind of a nice thing to add in. And then I found this apple here, and I wanted something in that next to those pencils, but the apple just didn't feel right to me. And then I've got the sticker sheet. I also have, you can kind of see it under my hand there, I have the big sticker book as well, so I have lots of access to apples. But I ended up finding one for each cluster there. I put one under the pencils and then one under the bows there. So it's feeling more like a cluster and not just something sticking out there. So I'm liking the idea of using red for a title in this layout, and as I look, I realize I don't have enough of the letters that I need, and I just didn't feel like MacGyvering letters, at least not that many letters. I think it was an E problem, especially when I have so many alphas. And so this alpha is red and pink, and it's from Ellie Studio, one of their puffy alphas. I've said this many times. This one is from 2018, so you won't be able to get it any longer. But they used to do one a month or so. I don't know that they always do. They do some kind of lettering every month when they do their releases on the 10th of the month. But you can also get them at any point in time if they still have them in stock. But sometimes they're stickers, sometimes they're puffy alphas. Kind of just depends. So kind of like the way that looks. I think I have more than one set of these where they're a two-toned alpha, and I have a hard time using them. And as much as when I did this layout, I didn't love the way that alpha looked, but I just let it go. And now it's a couple weeks later as I'm doing this voiceover, and I really like them much better now. All right, guys, there's the still shot and a couple of detail shots. Hope you're all well, and I'll be back with another layout again soon. Bye, everybody.